Uy! Uy! Okay, pumuntang rider. Pinabook nung customer ng Get Nice app. Aray ko! Boss, may suggestion ako sa'yo. Yung mga sinasuggest ko yung usual content sa'yo. Dalawa. What's up guys? Nandito tayo sa Pixel Cafe. Welcome. Ayan. So another day ng bentahan. So far, pagdating ko, meron ng mga benta yung mga stuffs natin. I think there's like 3 or 4 sales na. Me, I'm just starting the day. Let's see kung yung mga bentahan today. Let's go guys. Uy! Uy! Okay, so yun. Nagsasagot ako ng mga inquiries online. It just so happens na nag-inquire si Sir Cyril from Cebu. Nag-inquire siya magkano daw and available pa ba daw yung Cloud Tilt to Web collaboration natin ng Denim Blue. And unfortunately, wala tayo on hand but it's still available for pre-order although ang gusto niya is size 9 men. Unfortunately, walang size 9 men's equivalent in terms of EU. What we have is 8.5 which is size 42 or 9.5 men's which is size 43. So we're gonna call the customer kasi nagbayad na siya 45,000 pesos. Nag-pay na siya in full and I'm just gonna be clear with the expectation. Tawagan ko sabihin ko kung ano sizes yung available. We'll see if workable things or if not, we'll do a refund or I can offer a different pair na lang sa kanya. I'm just getting his contact information. Samahan niyo ako guys, tawagan natin si Sir to make sure na meron consent ng customer kung ano man yung product na we're gonna order from the supplier.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, so yun, send na ng contact number si Boss Cyril. So we're gonna call him, confirm natin kung anong size yung pwede sa kanya. Hello boss, this is Nico from Pretty Simple. Ayun, Boss Cyril. So I just wanna confirm kasi na-message ko na rin naman, the only available size is either size 42 or 43. Now the conversion for that, yes sir, go ahead. Boss, 9.5 kasi recommended din na mag-go half size bigger ka since nag yung fitting ng low end. So 43 confirm boss, bigyan ko na yung 43 sa supplier para dumating na rin agad boss. Ayun, maraming salamat ulit for your order. Yes, boss. Boss, I'm not certain. I'm not certain whether it can arrive by that time. Medyo maliit lang yung window natin. If ever man mag-arrive, I'll contact you kapag within January 3 dumating para you can have the option to pick it up or pwede namin lalamo. Pero kung hindi man dumating, boss, I'll take care of it and I'll make sure na i-ship na ng bayan. Sige po, sir. Thank you. It was nice meeting with you. Have a great day po, boss. Thank you. God bless. Bye-bye. Then guys, nakita natin yung 9 Cloud Tilt Denim size 43. Pinag-comment natin kasi medyo snag yung feeling. Customer ba kanina daw? Na-order ko kayo guys. So tayo na may order lang sa Get Nice dito daw. Pinapog yung delivery na pick up.
Pwede po ito dito. Pinapick up yung order.
Ay, customer. Okay, pumuntang rider. Pinabook nung customer ng Get Nice app. Aray ko!
Alam mo, i-slide.
Guys, paulit-ulit yung sinasabi talaga na Get Nice app not associated with Pretty Simple. I wanna be clear, walang store yung Get Nice app. We are no longer connected with them because of unethical practices that they are doing with their businesses. Ayan, I'm not gonna go into detail, pero wala silang store. I'm not even sure kasi the owner of that business before is a Chinese national who's not in the Philippines. So, I don't know where their businesses are, kung saan nag-function or whatever, but we're not connected. We wanna disassociate ourselves with them. Okay guys, just to be clear dalawa na yung store namin, kaya kami nag-isang store na Prism na yung pangalan para yung Get Nice Prism na talaga. Gagawa pa kami ng mga 3-4 na store Prism para mas malinaw sa inyo. Sinabi nila store nila dito. Sabi lang naging problema sa mga lugar. Kaya paulit-ulit kami nag-announce. Wala naman. Boss, may mga limited edition tayo sa Prism. Sa mga mga ito. So yeah, hindi yung mga limited edition na. Then for babae, gano'n tayo water boss. That's ano boss, size 8. Ano naman fit boss? These two are 9 and then this one is 8.5. These two are lower, they're both priced 35 and then this one is 45. Sakto pala for boss. Yung may red na square boss, 43. Ito boss, mas chill yung dati. Ito boss na oo, chill yung brown boss. Ito boss, may suggestion ako sa'yo. Yung mga sinasuggest ko yung usually pag dalawa. Then yung blue boss, mas may opinion lang.
A few moments later.
Kailangan boss. Actually, mas bago lang sa expert eh. Pakuha naman ako ng pair kay boss. Boss, how would you like to pay? Cash, card, or B-card na lang. Meron tayo boss, 0% interest pa CPI. Pwede straight naman sa order card, di ko alam. Or bank transfer boss, para mabigyan ka ng discount ng parang 5% boss. At least may discount na. 1,750 rin boss. Gawin natin, 33 na lang pag bank transfer. Ano ba name mo boss? Nico boss, yung owner of the shop. Ayos mo na boss. And boss Luis yung hindi na all-star na sana hindi na-scam sila madam. Order sa Get Nice app. They're waiting for the refund. Share ko lang yung pair boss. So complete with the passport and also the passport pa rin. Tapos both for naman na check ko. Bossing, maraming salamat ha. Thank you. Hope you get result.
Kailangan invoice na
Oh,
po.
eh, boss, kung mag-transfer mo, hindi naman i-slide. Ang tawag dito.
Baka kami pa rin
Mag-
mag-
Okay na, no? Boss, maraming salamat. Thank you. Hope ma-resolve po yung sana. Thank you po. Salamat, bossing. So guys, nabenta pala ako boss. Actually, they had concerns about their orders from Get Nice app. So sila yung customer na naglalamove. Kawawa naman yung rider. Pero yun, na-turn customer pa. Bumili ng si Sir 15,000 pesos yung blue mesh natin.
Drip check na sir.
Let's check na ako. Sige, for the cap, we're wearing New Balance. T-shirt, Amiri guys, I think around 20,000. Available for pre-order, depends on the size na available. For the pants, we're wearing Louis Vuitton, so this is 180,000. And then for the shoes, we have the GGDB Ball Star. So this is available for 45,000 pesos. That's it.